Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. For the first, let's introduce myself. My name is Siti Asif Amia Pramita. I'm a college at University UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung and majoring in public administration. Now, I want to tell you about good governance-based public service. Public service is an activity or series of activities in completing service needs in accordance with the legislation for every citizen and resident for the goods, service and administrative service provided by public service organizer. The process of organizing public service is needed to build reliance in public service organized by public service organizer. Furthermore, it is also expected to actualize public welfare and to educate the life of the nation, including also as an effort to emphasize the right and obligation of every citizen and resident, and the relation of the state responsibility and corporation in organizing public service. Public service as stipulated in Undang-Undang Dasar Republik Indonesia Number 25, 2009, so the extent of relationship that intends to provide legal certainty in the relationship between the community and the organizer of public service So that this relationship is expected to be an important instrument in realizing an idealist system of government. This is in line with the extent of reform Europea, which roll out various dynamic of change in which the discourse of democratization and transparency continue to grow and develop rapidly. This can be seen that the role and function of public service contain important aspects in realizing good governance. Normatively, the role of public service, on the one hand, provides space for the public to obtain the right and basic needs of service for public goods. Public service and administrative service provided by public service organizer. Whereas, on the other hand, the role of public service as a series of activities carried out by public service organizers carry out their function in order to complete the basic needs to the community based on the applicable laws and regulations. Public service can be a benchmark for the use of the service information system from organizer to the public or vice versa from the public to public service providers. Public service determines service standards that are used as guidelines for the implementation of service and reference for evaluating service quality as obligation and promise of organizer to public. Public service provide normative limits in the context of quality, fast, easy, affordable, and measurable service. Based on the role and function of the public service, if connected with efforts to realize good governance, there is significant relationship where public service is one component in implementing good governance. There are more consistent and commitment in implementing public service, then easier to realize good governance. In this case, all sides relate to the process of organizing public service must understand and carry out public service obligation according to their duties and responsibilities. Otherwise, if the implementation of public service diverge, then can harm the community and the state. If guided by the mandate of the 1945 Constitution of the Republic Indonesia, namely achieving prosperity and justice, then the values of public service in the management of public service must be sole and high motivation in realize good governance through the implementation of public service. Therefore, interaction of society and government in the context of a country's life is a dynamic process that will give a lot of color and even determine the development and progress of good governance in a country. When looking at the roles and function of public service above and the ability of national legal reforms in transforming the values of public service in realizing good governance, all of them are needed in optimized public service to realize good governance. Therefore, to support the realize of good governance in implementing public service, then it needs an effort to optimize public service by focusing on law enforcement or law of reinforcement in public service. In relation to effort to optimize public service and to realize good governance, law enforcement can be viewed from a legal perspective that carries instrumental function, namely the means to create and maintain order, stability, and predictability. a means to preserve cultural values and realize justice. Education facilities and community service and means of community renewal. This is law enforcement in accompanying the optimization of public service in order to realize good governance is in line with the objective of public service and still pay attention to basic values and the law, namely justice, and usability and legal certainty. Indeed, here relation to the public service to realize good governance is very likely to be realized if begins with the attention of sincerity of public service providers to carry out the obligation to serve the community to fulfill their basic rights and needs and build trust in public service, which the community will obey legislation that has been determined in accordance with Undang-Undang Dasar Republik Indonesia Number 25 2009. Normally, public service are the basis of the transformation of good government. Good governance by prioritizing the nation commitment as a legal state, adhering to the and implement a legal promotion system based on the basic norms contained in Constitution 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia and increasing law enforcement related to public. So then the conclusion is this research conclude that the role and function of public service in Undang-Undang Dasar Republik Indonesia Number 25 2009 in order to realize good governance is one relevation of Indonesia as a legal state that upholds the existence of a legal system that guarantees legal certainty and protection of people's rights, where public service reinforces the right and obligation of every citizen and population and the relation of state's responsibility and cooperation in organizing public service to achieve public welfare. Then, efforts to optimize public service in realizing good governance are one of the options for implementing good public service, and by focusing on aspect of law enforcement in order to minimize irregularities, violation and fraud in the implementation of public service. The realization of the good governance must begin with the quality and validity of the implementation of public service by implementing and enforcing the law as a basis for complements in the process of public service in accordance with its legal parameters. That's all I can say. Thanks for listening. May what I have said be of benefit to all of us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.